Hey guys, how are you? So today we are going to explore the Erasmus Mundus catalog. A lot of you guys have reached out to me and asked about the catalog, like how to actually go there and find the relevant program. So I decided to make a very simple small video. So you go to Google, you search for the Erasmus Mundus catalog, you go to the website, search the course catalog, you click here, and here you are. So if you scroll down, you can see that right now, like as of 5th October 2025, there are 214 programs that are available. And here are some of the programs, like you can look around like this, or you can, click on the paginators and you can go forward. And for example, I think the best method is to just come up here for the keywords, and let's say whatever your field is, you just come here and you type the keyword. For example, for me, it is computer science. I click on search and I find 16 programs that are specific or that fall under the category of computer science. So now, I mean, it doesn't really matter that it should be exactly computer science here, but like data science is also a branch of computer science, and all the other programs you see, they are also really, I would say, specific. And the good thing about Erasmus is like you will never find a degree that is like generic, like software engineering or computer science or this or that. And it's always like a combination of two, three things. So, for example, communications engineering and data science, Master of Science in Imaging and Light in Extended Reality, European Masters in Linguistic Data Science. So you see, like all the programs that you see are a combination of you know two three things, which I think is really nice. So suppose we open the Master of Applied Cybersecurity. I apply. So this is like the website of the program. So in all of my previous videos, I have been saying this to you guys again and again that hey, go to the program website. Go to the program website. So here we are. So all the basic questions that you guys ask me, you can literally come here, and you don't need to be dependent on anyone, me or anyone. Like literally come here and find literally every single piece of information that you need. So here you guys ask about the tuition fee. There you go. They have written down we 1400 per month scholarship for the selected students. Okay. So here they have written like the application period starts on September 1. So this program, specific program, is open right now. It's currently open. So today is 5th October. They might have a deadline as well. So you can also, visit the program, and you can also look for the deadline and everything. So here you have the application. So they tell you about all the information things here, like when so the deadline is 15th of December. Okay. And they tell you like January to March is the academic evaluation, results are published, everything is there, guys. Just go and look for the information that you guys need. Okay. So yeah, and then let's go to maybe evaluation criteria. Yeah, literally every single thing is here. So even for the applicant, like what are they expecting from you in the motivational letter, like this is so like this is golden information. Okay, so I hope you guys have now a better idea on how to use the Erasmus Mundus catalog, and how to actually find the right program for you and extract the information that you need in order to apply for the program that you like.